Abstract. This study examines the growth of the protagonist Amos Taker in David Baldacci novel Memory Man. Alvin Nugriantoro theory of character analysis. This study explores the elements that impact Amos Taker's character evolution such as his past experiences, both internal and external, conflict, and his interaction with other characters. The analysis revealed that Amos Taker undergoes considerable transformation from a detective preoccupied with homicide cases to a more insightful and compassionate individual. This study enhances the comprehension of character growth in modern literature. Keyword: character analysis, character development, novel Memory Man, David Baldacci, Nurgiantoro theory. Analysis of the main character development in David Baldacci Memory Man. Chapter 1. Introduction 1.2.1. Background of the study. The author asked the title as a means to convey their ideas to the readers. It can be argued that literary works encompass the knowledge and experiences of the author. Literature is an expression of the human personality in the form of experiences, thought, feeling, ideas, and the spirit of belief in the shape of tangible images that evoke interest with language tools. Smarjo and Shiny in Rockmanship 2004. 2.1. The formation of the problem. Settlement of the problem. The study is intended to analyze development in novel Memory Man. The writer wrote it to find the quality of the work in terms of character study. There are two questions. 1. What factors affect the motivation of the character Amos Taker portrayed in the Memory Man? 2. How is Amos Taker's character personality development in Memory Man novel? 2.3. The objective of the study. 1. This research aims to find the factors that influence the motivation of the character Amos Taker, as depicted in the novel. 2. The objective of this research is to analyze the character development of Amos Taker in Memory Man. 2.4. Significance of the study. A. Theoretical. At the same time in theory, author future researchers can utilize the theories employed by the author in study to carve out a more extensive examination of physiological matter. Additionally, this study can serve as a reference for readers interested in exploring personality, character in novels, and other forms of literature. Theoretically, this research aims to determine character development in developing the character implemented in the novel Memory Man. This research will provide reference regarding character development. B. Practical. Practically for teachers and students who want to reading and writing about characters in literature, especially narrative fiction. This study can serve as a reference for some activists as a source of further research. This research offers benefit to both learners and readers. The research aims to provide more insight into how the portrayal of characters in literature works reflect the author's imagination. Additionally, the study seeks to explore how much the social interaction of the character contribute to the development of the main character's characterization. 2.5 Scopy of the study. To keep discussion conscious, this research on the novel detailing Amos Decker's understanding of his personal character both prior to and following the accident. Amos Decker's journal illustrated his struggle with depression and his quirks and personality traits that shaped his physiological profile are the focus of this study. Consequently, this researcher is confined to the book Memory Man by David Baldacci. The analysis centers on the main character, Amos Decker, where his quirks and character are the key elements to examine. Chapter 2 Review of Related Literature 2.1 Theoretical Framework 2.1.1 Literary Analysis Literary, the Latin word for writing or alphabet, is the etymological of the literary terminology Weller 2000. The 8th century saw the rise of literature in Europe, where it was entirely accepted as a writing language. Next, it was created on the premise that the use of aesthetic language in literary works constitute the foundation of literature. The majority of authors share the belief that it is impossible to define literature in a way that is universally accepted. Therefore, it can be claimed that the concept of literature is contingent upon the context, culture, and circumstances in which it is recognized. 2.1.2 Intrinsic element of novel. A novel is an extended narrative that can be grounded in reality, entirely fantastical, or based on the author's personal experience. Its typical feature: numerous characters and intricate plots. A writer has the opportunity to develop more complex conflicts than in a short story and can provide deeper insight into the character without the restriction of fake limit. A theme. The theme represents the overarching concept that underpins a literary piece and is embedded within its thematic framework, highlighting the similarities or differences between Hartoko and Rahmanto. as studied by Nurgiantoro, 2012 C8, Santoso in Sugihastuti and Suharto, 2002 45. Defines them as the essence of a narrative that clearly articulates most of its components in a straightforward manner. He notes that them is intercalable with the primary idea, central idea, and main purpose, central purpose. B. Plot. The plot is grounded in the interesting of causes and effects as they unfold in a sequential or chronological manner, and authors have various methods to develop it. The storyline illustrated an event that has been predetermined by the writer. Additionally, the storyline is crucial in conveying every event. To convey a message, a writer utilizes characters who assume roles in alignment with the author's intention until a conflict arises, which is identified as the plot. Muktasin, 2018. C. Character and characterization. The concept of character refers portrayal of a human being conveyed through action, dialogue, description, and commentary. Characterization involves creating a vivid depiction of a character present in a narrative. It can also be defined as the role of the character within the story. Nurgiantoro, 2010, 165. From this perspective, we understand that as a reflection of a human being, a character serves as an agent through which the narrative reveals the author's intentions. 1. According to the character's role in the narrative, characters can be categorized as either main characters or peripheral characters based on their roles. The main story's character is the one who holds the central role in the story. In many novels, this character frequently appears in every event and scenario. In contrast, peripheral characters are secondary to the main character and only show up when they have a connection to the main character or during situations that pertain to the main character. Consequently, opinion on who the main character is can vary as the destinies of all characters often seem closely intertwined. 2. According to the function of characters. Characters can be categorized based on their function into types: the protagonist and the antagonist. The protagonist is a character that will look up to one of its will now from is referred to as a hero. This character embodies the ideal norms and values we aspire to. On the other hand, the antagonist is a character that opposes the protagonist and consistently creates conflict for them. 3. According to analysis of characterization, character differentiation based on characterization is categorized into Fred and Ron characters in his book Aspects of the Novel Forster 1956. Defines a Fred character as a character who does not develop, who remains unchanged from the beginning to the end, and who is static. They are characterized by one or two states that can be summed up in single sentence. Front characters are those who recognize and adapt to or change with her circumstances. They are complex and multifaceted, engaging with live a multiple levels. 4. Based on its progression. Based on the progression, character can be categorized as either static or dynamic. A static character remains essentially unchanged and shows no development. Conversely, a dynamic character undergoes development through changing situations and events, which can either broaden or limit the character's personality. 5. In terms of how characters reflect real people in everyday life, there are typical characters that represent actual individuals, while on the other hand, neutral characters are inborn from the author's imagination. Readers differentiate between these two character types by observing how they mirror the behavior of people in real life. D. Setting. The setting encompasses the location, period, and characters of the narrative. It pertains to the specific of where and when the story unfolds. As noted by Azhari 2017, a narrative necessitates a setting, a time frame, and a depiction to illustrate the events that take place within it. E. Point of view. The point of view determines both thoughts and experiences the reader perceives throughout the story. A story's perspective serves as a lens into the fictional universe, according to Werhard 2019. 2.1.3 Character Development Theory. As noted by Welken and Wallin, 1956. Character development or transformation is a static characterization that does not result in significant alteration from a particular action and does not happen instantly in the dynamic of human interaction that form the backdrop of the narrative. 2.2 Preview Study. The first is the Tengku Muktasin 2018 entitled An Analysis of the Main Character of Edna O'Brien's novel, The Little Red Case, which argues that the internal and external conflict faced by main character significantly shape their titles in modern novel. In his research, Tengku Muktasin refers to Edna O'Brien's novel The Little Red Child to illustrate the unique physiological character reflected in the protagonist's attitude, thought, and behavior. To conduct a character analysis, four elements must be considered: the character's spoken words or dialogue, action, inner thought, and how other characters perceive them. After examining Doctorandus Vladimir Dragan, the researcher concluded that he exhibited qualities of enthusiasm, confidence, intelligence, seduction, wisdom, curiosity, and mystery. The second is Nabila 2003 study titled Analysis of the Main Character Development in Predict Basement novel A Main Child of Nabila C. 2003 utilized a qualitative approach, close reading, and psychological perspective. Nabila demonstrates that character development, as seen in Predict Basement novel, involves gathering data by noting the relevant passage and dialogue that contributed to the evolution of the main character, followed by analysis that identifies the type of primary characterization exhibited by the character. The examination proceeds by exploring of his character growth and the factors that shape him. Findings from the analysis indicate that Ovi is portrayed in the book as a standard individual who is quick to anger, persistent, exclusive, and apathetic. Additionally, the researcher outcomes several that Ovi's character transition from being consistently individual and despairing to becoming an optimistic and compassionate individual. The third is Friskilia Jaya Miharaja 2021 entitled An Analysis of the Main Character in the Novel Me Before You. Prior to delving into a topic, the author aims to examine early research to gather useful information and reference material. If so, how thoroughly has the topic been covered? To address this, the author assesses several case studies related to the depression faced by the main character in the novel. The first study tells the depression in the main character of Jojo Moyes' Me Before You. at Heart by Priscilla Mihaja, 2021. Me Before You is a renowned novel that narrates the story of Will Taylor, a purpose banker who encounters significant changes in life due to an accident. His depression manifests as profound philosophical dilemma. The depression affects his sleep, contributing to feelings of loss, love, and a grim outlook for the future. The repression of this disorder results in physiological issues. Physical indicators and symptoms are marked by depression, a pessimistic perspective on life, and suicidal thoughts. Physiological manifestations are defined by detachment and severity. Character analysis applies Freud's psychoanalytic concept to explore the mental struggle of the protagonist in the novel Me Before You. The fourth is Badratun Nafis, 2024, entitled The Main Character Development Analysis. In Does My Head Look Big in This? This thesis investigates the concept of tolerance and intolerance toward Muslims. The purpose of the study is to examine the development of the main character and the perspective present in Does My Head Look Big in This? Beranda Albert Pata. The theory proposed by Hang Lung 2012 and Kenneth 2007 are utilized to analyze the evolution of the main character and the narrative perspective in the novel. This study employs a literary criticism analysis method. The primary data sources in Does My Head Look Big in This? While the secondary data are derived from dialogue and narrative that highlight the development main character. The findings of the study indicate that Amal exhibited a variety of character traits, including confidence, commitment, faith, fear, hope, resilience, intelligence, humor, a strong cultural and religious identity, as well as her needs, motivation, goal, and interaction with friends, family, and society. The research observes that the story is narrated from a first-person perspective throughout with entity. This narrative style enables a more intimate portrayal of the main character. The final study, titled The Character Development of Isabella Lincoln in Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights novel 2022, was conducted by Marcelina Mistin Asmiati, Singgih Darukuncana, and Indah Sari Lubis from the English Department, Faculty of Cultural Studies, Melawarna University. The aim of the research was to examine the evolution of Isabella Lincoln's character as well as the events that shaped her development. This study employed an objective approach and utilized Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights as its primary data source. The information was gathered from character dialogue and narration that reflect Isabella Letion's character progression according to Kenan's theory, along with the events impacting her character development based on Gift's theory. This research finding based on Kenan's theory indicated that Isabella Lencioni transformed from a pamphlet and naive young woman into a core language accountable and self-sufficient individual. Eventually, the finding intelligent grieving theory of Freud demonstrates that Isabella Lencioni undergoes character development during the exposition, reaching action, climax, failing action, and resolution. Chapter 3: Research Methodology. A resuscitation. The approach employed in this study in the descriptive qualitative method. Nurjantoro describes and descriptive qualitative method as the technique used ontology in a study that examines the outcomes of literary works while aligning them with the realities depicted in the novel cited by Ridwawati 2007 v13. B. Unit of analysis. This thesis explored the way in which the protagonist of Memory Man evolves and develops due into the narrative events, their physical profile, and various factors that influence character development. A simpler example might be analysis of the protagonist's physiological growth in Memory Man and the evolution of the main character in Memory Man, a study of the protagonist's development and trauma. C. Sources of data. The primary reference for this study is a book called Memory Man, written by David Baldacci and realized by Grand Central. This novel was made available by David Baldacci on September 15, 2015 and has a total of 322 pages. This book has been well received by fans of David Baldacci's work. Numerous positive reactions to this novel indicated that it is quite engaging and deserving of attention. The method of data collection. The information is gathered via the library investigation and document assumption, which includes skimming, superficial review, reading, detailed analysis, and interpretation. Bowen, 2009, Robert and Jacob, 1995, highlight that researchers should apply their own insights and experiences to evaluate the attributes of character by examining how a character is depicted through five methods: action, depiction, both personal and environmental, dramatic, expression, and through comment from other characters regarding the character in question and remarks made made by the author as a narrator or observer to gather data for this study. Researchers employed a number of producers. 1. The researcher read the book motivated him to have a thorough understanding of it and to text noted that highlighting almost Decker character development to achieve Nurgiantoro theory. 3. The researcher argued and categorized the information about the status and growth of the character Amos Decker. A technique of data analysis. This study employs qualitative research method since the effort did not utilize statistical producer or concept. The subsequent step followed by the researcher to analyze data in the study are as follows. 1. All data intended for analysis will be documented. 2. Researchers will pinpoint words, phrases, clauses, and sentences present in both the English and Indonesian edition of the novel. 3. Figurative language data encompassing words, phrases, clauses, and sentences in both Indonesian and English version will be compared. 4. The rationale for incorporating figurative language in character development strategies will be explained. 5. The finding obtained from the neck will be reported. Fee proportion and sampling technique. Juria study 2006-116 indicated that population refer to all data of interest within a definite scope and time frame. Since this analysis focuses on novel, the population for this research consistent of all elements found in the novel Memory Man by David Baldacci, Sugiono, 2011-118, stated that a sample is a subset of the population number and characteristic given that this study seeks to examine how additional characters influence the development of the main character personality. The sample utilized by the researcher includes the additional and main character in the novel Memory Man by David Baldacci. Referensi Marcelina Mistin Asmiati, Singgedaru Kencana, and Indah Sari Lubis with the title The Character Development of Isabella Linton in Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights novel in the year 2022 from the English Department, Faculty of Cultural Studies, Mula Warma University. Lucilia Jaya Miharja in 2021 with the title An Analysis of the Main Character in the Novel Me Before You, written by Jojo Moyes, Psychological Theory from the English Department, Faculty of Social and Humanity, Budi Dharma, Tangerang University. Tangku Muktasin in 2018 with the title Analysis of the Main Character of Erna O'Brien's novel The Little Red Heiress from the Faculty of Education and Teacher, Al-Nairi Islamic State, University Darussalam, Banda Aceh. Badratun Nafis in the year 2004 with the title The Main Character Development Analysis in Does My Head Look Big Intis by Randa Abdul Fattah, Department of English Language Education, Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teaching, Ordinary Study, Islamic University. Cynthia Nabila in 2023 with the title Analysis of the Main Character Development in a Frederick Backman novel, A Man of Fee, Department of English Literature, Faculty of Adab and Humanity, UIN Sunan Ampel, Surabaya.